How to log in to Investors Bank online account. So if you want to log in to Investors Bank online account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser. Now in the search bar you have to search for Investors Bank login, and after searching here you will have login Investors Bank. You can simply click on that and it will take you to the Investors Bank. So if you want to log in, then you can simply enter your email address and then you have to enter your password on the next blank. But if you forgot your password and if you don't have an account, then you can go to register instead. But if you forgot your password, then you can go to did you forgot your password. You will have this. You can simply click on that and then you will get some help about how to reset or recover it. But if you want to log in and if you remember your credentials, then simply enter it and then you can click the login button. And that's it. That's how you log into your Investors Bank online account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.